A popular question, often raised by future passengers, is to ask what electrical power outlets are available in a suite on Silversea ships. The images of outlets in this video are from a Verandah Suite on the Silver Moon. They are also typical of other suite categories on all Silversea ships. There is a range of power outlets available in every suite. The options are suitable for American, British, and European plug types. This is a typical 220-volt power outlet, which is located on the wall as you walk into the lounge area of the suite. And the electrical points shown in this image are located above the cabinet furniture, which is positioned on each side of the lounge. On the desk, there are outlets that are suitable for plugs from the United States, as well as multi-purpose versions for European plugs. There are also some convenient USB ports with two different powers for charging devices like cameras available on the desk. And a charging pad where you can lay your smartphone. This works if your smartphone is a recent model that has this facility available. Now, moving into the bedroom area of the suite. Here there are more multi-purpose power outlets available in different voltages. And here there are more USB ports beside the bed for charging devices like phones, Kindles, and cameras. Then, in the bathroom, there is a power outlet for electric shavers in 110 and 220 volts. There is also a hair dryer supplied. A good suggestion to consider when packing is to bring an international travel adapter for the convenience of where you can plug things in. And, if you think you need more outlets for charging special equipment, like extra cameras, another useful suggestion is to bring a power board. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to join us on our Facebook group for friendly discussion, and on our website for shared downloads